Hi everyone, my name's Beth. I'm a volunteer at Sheffield Mencap and Gateway. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe and staying inside. Today I thought I would show you how to make a frothy iced coffee. So it's a really nice sunny day here today, so it's perfect to have a cold version of a coffee. So to make a frothy iced coffee, you will need a mixing bowl, a whisk, some coffee granules, then you'll also need a cup to put your frothy iced coffee in and a tablespoon. You'll need some ice cubes, some milk, some sugar, and then you'll also need a little bit of warm water. So what I've done is I've boiled the kettle, I've put the hot water into a mug, and then I'm just going to spoon it out of here. Okay, so to get started, you need to take your mixing bowl, and then we need to put 2 tablespoons of coffee granules into the mixing bowl. So there's 1 and 2. Then we will need to take 2 tablespoons of sugar and put that into the mixing bowl as well. So 1, 2, and then we'll need 2 tablespoons of our warm water. So I'm going to take my mug, and then I've got 1 and 2. Okay, so now you're ready to start whisking your coffee. So take your whisk, and I whisk this for about 2.5 minutes. So it is a little bit of an arm workout, but the coffee is a really nice treat, so I promise it is worth it. So just whisk your coffee like that, and then keep doing that for 2.5 minutes. So when you finish doing that, you will be left with something that looks a little bit like this. So it's just a little bit thicker, it's a little bit bubbly. So that is your coffee mixture ready. So now you're ready to assemble your iced coffee. So you're going to take your glass, and then you're going to put some ice cubes in. So I'm going to use about 3. And then you are going to take your milk. So I put about 3/4 of milk in. So you're going to leave a little bit at the top to put your iced coffee. Okay, so you just pour that in. So I've done about that much. And now you can spoon your coffee mixture in. So just put it on the top, and you can just about see that it just sits on the top of the milk. So you spoon all your mixture in there. And then that is your iced coffee pretty much ready. You can mix it all together, so the milk and the coffee combine. You see it starts to change colour just a little bit. And yeah, so that's your coffee ready. So I'm gonna go and sit on my balcony and enjoy this in the sunshine. If you have made a frothy iced coffee as well, I hope you enjoy yours. And yeah, I hope everyone stays safe, and that hopefully I'll see you all soon. Bye.